my question for JC and Bella. How do you feel the chemistry between the two of you for Awit and Tula? Thank you.
Kamusta yung chemistry namin from before
Yeah.
to now?
Yes.
Well, nung isang tula, it was 2017. I remember I just started going for television in 2016. I started being an actor for the screen. And then 2017 meron akong movie. And then may kasama akong big star. So, hindi daw siya big star. Tapos, naalala ko si Direk Jason Paul, kilala ko na siya from Pampanga. And at that time, of course, nakakataranta kapag una kang makakasama na, alam mo yun, uy, baka ano kayang magawa ko sa eksena, ano kayang mangyari sa akin, anong baka magkamali ako, lahat ng jitters nangyari sa akin bago umabot sa ganon. So yung mga bulol ko, totoo, nagiging totoo na. How do I feel about it? It was overwhelming at first. Pero nung nakakwentuhan ko na to, ay, Diyos ko, hindi na kami tumigil. At naging madali yung pagsasama namin kasi pareho kami sigurong sensitive. At ang galing kasi, ang bilis na makakita ng emotions. Her as Bella. Tapos, syempre, may patong na yun na character. No? So, kapag pinapanood niya ako, alam niya kung ano yung gagawin ko. So, may ibabato siya sa akin na bago. Tapos, magbabato na naman ako ng isa, magbabato na naman ako ng ganito. Hanggang sa parang, ang ganda na pala ng eksena, hindi namin alam. So, nung ginagawa namin yung una, we're just enjoying it. Kasi natutuwa kaming ka-eksena yung isa't isa. At pagod lang kami nung mga araw na yun ng 2017 kasi punong-puno yung mga projects namin. I remember I was doing teleseries, I was doing shows, may I Can Do That ako, may Cinemalaya ako, mayroon akong ganitong pelikula, may ganito. So halos di namin maalala yung mga eksena. Pero ang naalala ko ng mga panahon na yun, yung chemistry namin, ang dali-dali na lahat ng eksena, kahit nakakaiyak. At yung feeling na yun, mas lalong dumali nung ginawa namin to. Naalala ko, sabi ko, tumatawa lang kami lagi sa likod sa likod ng camera. Ini-enjoy lang namin na hindi namin iniisip na mahirap yung ginagawa namin. Kasi ang hirap ng mga eksena so hindi na namin kailangan isipin. Parang gawin na lang natin, just be present and be mindful and just be generous to each other. I guess yun yung strength namin and mahilig kami magbigayan on screen. Ang dami ko na sinasabi. Ikaw na.
I think na-cover mo yung, yung technical side of things. I see your posts a lot. Thank you so much for always posting Certified Kapamilya. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I think JC and I just genuinely like each other. I love hanging around JC. He's such a nice person. Such a brilliant actor. I don't have to make anything up in my head. When I have a scene where I need to look at him and look at him like I like him, I don't need to act. So that's it. I hope that answers it. Yeah.